Are you in Nigeria looking for ways you can actually make money online? Truth to be told, there are actually tons of websites that actually pays to perform microtasks, but only few of them actually works for Nigeria or pays Nigeria. So in today's video, after my thorough research, I'm going to be showing you 5 websites that actually pay Nigeria to perform simple tasks. If you are new here, welcome to Financial Hustle. What we do here is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. We also react to YouTube videos on how you can make money online. If that's of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's get started.
So I'm going to be saving you the best for the last, so make sure you watch it very hard so you know the one you want to choose.
First on my list is eSense. Go to your Chrome browser or Google browser, type in eSense. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to register with your email address and password. Then you click on I agree to terms of use. You can actually go through the terms of use to know where you're going into. You can continue registration with inputting your first name, your last name, and also your username.
Inputting your username is going to show you a host and thanks for updating your profile. After that, a verification link is going to be sent to your Gmail. You click on that verification link to activate your account. Then you can start performing simple surveys and tasks available for you. And you can also make use of VPN. I use Windscribe. The reason why I ask you to use VPN is because it's going to allow you to have access to more high-paying tasks, so you can withdraw your money ASAP. And now let's talk about the method of payments on this particular platform. So the mode of payment on this particular platform is using PayPal, and if you don't have PayPal, you can redeem your earning into a Pioneer card. Before you do that, make sure you have a Pioneer account ready, and then once your money is up to $25, you can actually redeem it. They're going to charge you, I think it's $2 or so you can transfer your money into your Pioneer, and from Pioneer you transfer it to your bank account. Okay, so if you don't want to go for this, there are still more options, so let's keep watching so you know which one you're going to be going for. So the second on my list is Premise. Premise is an app, not a website, unlike eSense. You're going to download the app, go to your Chrome browser or your Apple store, then download Premise. It allows you to perform simple tasks and surveys to make money on that. Okay, so the mode of payment is also PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, and also make sure you check the payment method first before you start performing any task on the website, so you know the one that you are going to be able to withdraw your money from, because what's the essence of working without payment? Okay, so I'm going to give you options and it's your choice, it's your job to choose the one that works best for you or that suits you. So the next website is called Rwazi. This is one of the best web app that you can actually install and start making money from them by performing simple tasks. You can also make your own research. Rwazi pay you to perform simple tasks and is one of the best as well. Mind you guys, this website or app is not going to make you rich. It's just to sort one or two bills. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So the second on my list is Naira. Go to your Chrome browser as usual. It's a website, not an app. So you're going to create an account using your name, your Gmail address, and creating a username. After successfully creating an account on Naira, then you can go ahead and start performing simple tasks just like this. You can click on the most recent jobs to perform the task, and if you want something higher than that, then you click on the highest paying job and you're going to see the task you're going to be performing. Okay, the difficult the task you choose, the more money you get, and the easiest the task you choose, the less money you get. So that's how it works. Okay, their payment method, they pay into your bank account. It's a Nigerian app, so you don't have to worry about PayPal account or so. Did you get? Now let's move to the very first one. The number one of my list is called Offer Nation. This is a trusted online survey that has been existent over 10 years, and right now as I'm recording this video, their website is under relaunching, so they are going to be opening again for 2025 February 17. Okay, so that will be Monday. So you can just go ahead and check about the website. If it's already open, you can create an account and start performing your task on the particular platform. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section which one are you going to be trying out, which one have you tried out before, how does it really work, did you like it? Let me know in the comment section. But if you have any question, you can also drop them in the comment section. If you have any topic you want me to you want me to discuss or you want me to make video about, let me know in the comment section as well. See you in my next video, and bye. Take care of yourself. Love you.